Hi everybody. Today I'm reading to you from my favorite reading spot in my house. It is my favorite place to come and sit and quietly enjoy a book. So I thought I'd share it with you. It's my comfy chair. Today I'm going to read to you about leaf bugs. And I'm going to put it close. And do you have any clue why it's called a leaf bug? Because it looks just like a leaf. It says, these incredible insects look just like leaves, hence how they get their name. The order that stick and leaf insects make is called pasmida, which means ghost-like. It is a great description of their incredible camouflage. Their flattened leaf-shaped bodies and their wings with veins very much look like a leaf, making it easy for them to blend in with plant surroundings. And I'm going to show you the 3D picture of the leaf bug, and you can see that it really, really looks like a leaf from far away. Leave me alone. Like stick insects, leaf insects scatter their eggs on the ground, making sure a predator cannot find all of them at once. When the young hatch, they look exactly like the adults, except that they're smaller and reddish colored, just like some new growths are on plants. As soon as the babies start eating leaves, they turn green like their parents. But the camouflage doesn't stop there. Many leaf insects turn brown or develop splotches like a fungus, or holes that look as though an insect has been nibbling on them like a leaf. Like their stick insect cousins, leaf insects will mimic their movement of a leaf on a plant. When they walk, it's like a swaying motion, like a leaf swaying in the breeze. Can you picture a tree on a windy day and how the leaves sway side to side? When this leaf bug walks, it looks like a leaf swaying in the wind. Single moms. Also, like the stick insects, some species of leaf insects can reproduce without mating. Unfertilized eggs will hatch into other females. Of course, if mom wants any boys, she's going to need a mate. Males are usually smaller than females and are generally the only ones who can fly. So even though the female has the wings, they don't fly. Only the male leaf insects fly. Ant protectors. The spiny leaf insect of Australia has a kind of deal with the ant. The ants eat the knobby structures on the outside of the insect's eggs called the capitulum. The rest of the egg is too hard to break into, and so it remains intact. Intact means whole. It stays protected underground in the ant refuse pile until the insects hatch, looking like red-headed ants. The ant imposters enjoy protection in exchange for a good meal. So that means they hide, they camouflage with the ants. The ants eat the outside of the egg, but don't break into the hole of the egg. So the ants feed off the eggs, and to pay for that, they protect them and keep them safe. The few, the flashy. Many leaf and stick insects use a defense mechanism called flash color action. While the insect's body blends perfectly into its surroundings, some have wings with brilliantly colored markings. When disturbed by a potential predator, that means bothered, the walking leaf or walk stick will suddenly unfold its wings, flashing the predator. It's like if you had a coat on and you opened the inside and the inside of your coat had a really bright color, like that. It then just as quickly folds the color away and then drops to the ground, leaving the predator confused and searching for a much bigger insect among what looked like a bunch of dead leaves and twigs. Of the 3,000 species of Phasmida, only a few dozen are leaf insects. The rest are stick insects. All leaf insects live in the warm tropics, mostly Asia and Australia. The tropics it's a warm place where it gets lots of rain usually, and it's warm. But their fascinating appearance and behavior have made them so popular with humans that they have migrated to other parts of the world as pets, zoos, or laboratory animals. Migrated, that means that you find them outside of Asia and outside of Australia. They have left their homeland and have gone to other places. They have migrated as pets. People have brought them over. They have migrated into zoos. They have brought them into zoos for you to look at and see them. And then scientists have brought them over to study them as well. So it says, even looking closely, the only clue that a bug is not a leaf, it's its head and its legs. And even the legs look like leaves. It is easy to understand why leaf bugs are compared to ghosts. They virtually disappear on a plant. That means if I was to stick a leaf bug on a plant, you would not be able to tell the difference between a leaf on the plant and the leaf bug. And if you look at it closely, you can see the head and the legs, and they do look like leaves. And the wings are under here. So bug, insect, arachnid, definitely not a millipede or a centipede. It is an insect. It is not an arachnid. It does not have 8 legs, 6 legs.